VSCode module of the week this week is something which we've talked about, I think, like 3 years ago, and I just used it like crazy yesterday, so I thought it's worth re-mentioning. So changeCase, it's by wmaurer. It's got 821,000 installs and growing, but basically it gives you the option to quickly change the case from camelCase, constant case, snake case, of the current selection or current word. And so I used this one yesterday when I had a bunch of URLs that I was making. I wanted to make some really user-friendly, SEO-friendly URLs that had all, everything was broken down. Using webhooks, it was like document-changed. And so the dash is kind of nice, but if I wanted to change it for my function names, it was kind of a pain to have to retype them, but I could just basically pick them in here and then choose the type. And the cool thing is if you select a word and then run the command, you'll actually see a preview of all those over here too. So you can see camel, constant, dot, etc. So it can convert from all these different formats back and forward. Just made it really easy to switch them. So again, it has multiple cursors, so you can do that too. It just doesn't give you the preview if you've got more than one selected. But it has options for camel, constant, dot, kebab, lower first, no, param, Pascal, path, sentence, snake, swap, title, upper, and upper first. So it's a pretty cool little extension. Again, highly recommend it, using it for switching from function names, which are, sort of camelCase, back to URL formats, etc. So, okay. So that is our VSCode hint, tip, and trick of the week. That was our VSCode hint, tip, and trick of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions